Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. We're standing with the Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. We now have the windshield in. So if you've been following the first video that we did, we shared with you where we had the windshield basically on a stand upside down. The guys had used a special adhesion promoter and they painted the outline of the frame onto the glass. And then they had masked and painted black all around the posts or the opening of the actual body. And then the next video, we were in the paint booth and they had the special adhesion promoter on both the frame or the opening around the body and also on the glass. And they were just ready to install the urethane and then set the glass in, and now it's finished. So now that the glass is in, we've done, this is caulking, believe it or not. This is a special black caulking, and it just needs to be tidied up and trimmed after it is set. So the glass is now in. You can see the nice contrast. It has the black outline or the black ridge all the way around. They're going to clean this part up right here. I don't know if it'll show up in the video, but there's a couple of little jutted areas that we're going to clean. But this, in my opinion, is the cleanest, pardon me, is the cleanest way to install the windows. It's quite a bit of work to install the windshield this way, but the finished product, we did a previous one, which we're going to have to redo. We're going to remove the glass because regardless of how careful you are, when you install the black urethane around and set the glass in, you can see every part of the urethane, and it's just not a finished look that I was happy with. So now it's all trimmed out with a semi-gloss black. It's painted on the inside. It has an adhesion promoter. It's very, very durable. And then this outside caulking is nicely done, and it just seals it off. And the water won't stay or pool in there. It's just going to run off. So I think that's a nice look. So this is the installed windshield on the Factory 5 Racing 65 Coupe. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.